In this video, I will show you how you can upload your assignments and homeworks on eSkool. The first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and go to our website. It's www.surpajcollege.com. Then you need to click on the top left icon of eSkool. And when you do that, you need to enter your credentials and sign in. When you sign in, you need to go to your homework assignments. And when you go to your homework assignments, you can see all your assignments that are due, and you can see when they were assigned. Also, you can see the details and then the estimated time, which means how much it is supposed to take from your time. And you have two ways for you to submit your homeworks and assignments. The first one is the hard copy, which you need to give it in class. And the second form is online, which appears as upload files. Now, when you upload them, your status will be submitted. When it's not but required for you to submit something online, it will be shown as not submitted. You can also get some remarks and results when you submit them here. Now, let's go to commerce and try submitting an assignment. Now, first of all, you need to click on the view. And here, when you go into the details of your assignment, you can see everything. Now, it's very important for you to check the submission methods. In other terms, what kind of files you may submit. Here you can see that approximately all types of documents are accepted, such as MS Doc and MP4, AV, and JPEG. But I would recommend you to first of all check what is required for you to submit and prepare your assignment accordingly. Then when you do that, you go and you need to choose your file. Suppose we need to upload this one. We need to click on the save and submit, because if we only click on save, it will be uploaded but not submitted. But when you want to submit, you need to click on the save and submit. And when you do that, you'll get a notification which tells you submit your work to the teacher. You cannot change your work after you continue. In fact, you may do so, but you need to have the permission from the teacher, and that's why you need to contact your teacher if you need to resubmit it. And please give it a bit of time. Don't close your browser directly after clicking on save and submit, because it depends on the size of your file and also on the speed of your network. Now here you can see that the status has turned into submitted. And when you go back to homework assignments, you will see that it is submitted as well, as you can see over here.